Find a stable surface and place your candle at eye level at about 1 arm or 2 feet distance in front of you. Sit in a comfortable position. Drop your shoulders, unclench your jaw. Let your body relax. Take a deep breath in. Slowly exhale. Gently bring your attention to the candle flame. Let your gaze soften. Notice the light, the movement, the warmth. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gently. If your mind wanders, quietly return to the flame. Now, gently close your eyes. Picture the flame glowing calmly within you. Imagine the flame burning away all your worries, distractions, and negative thoughts. It's healing and purifying your inner self. It's radiating warmth and comfort throughout your body. Imagine the flame's light expanding with each breath and filling your entire being. Stay here, breathing, resting. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this calm with you.